Tesla's marketing impresses the hell out of me. First of all, I've completely bought into the brand, purchased a car already. 2.5 weeks ago, I ordered it. And then what do? You start researching stuff online, spend 12 hours watching YouTube videos, learning all about it. And then you spend a whole bunch of time shopping, eBay, the Tesla shop, Amazon. I was pulling stuff in and out of my Amazon cart for 2 weeks, kind of asking myself, do I need it? Am I just spending money to spend money? What's really necessary for this car? So this will be the list of stuff that I bought pre-delivery for the car. Kudos to Tesla again. All the stuff that I shop for on their site got delivered today, so pretty amazing. I take delivery tomorrow, the stuff comes today. So other stuff I got on eBay and Amazon, but I'll go through it real quick with you. It's not too much stuff, but this will be a fast one. All right, here's my current stash of Tesla accessories. So stuff that I felt like I needed to have for the car. Right off the bat, I went with the Tesla branded floor mats. These are made by WeatherTech, and that company's located in the suburbs of Chicago. I always get the WeatherTech mats for cars, so I was glad they had a Tesla branded one. They make really quality products. The second choice on this was the Max Spider ones that I found on Amazon. Those had great reviews, but I just kind of like the clean look of this one a little bit better. I think it'll go better with the car. Next thing up is the front, or actually this is the rear trunk mat. So also the Tesla one. This one's really nice. I put a lot of stuff in and out of the trunk, all weather conditions, so I want to protect the carpet back there. So this was also a must-have for me. That Tesla Model 3 license plate frame, not really a must-have, but I found it on eBay. And it was a factory one, brand new, for like 25 bucks. So they're normally 40 bucks on the Tesla website. So I only bought it because it was a good deal, but definitely not something you need. I did splurge a little bit, I think, on the Tesla tire repair kit. This thing's smaller than I thought. I thought it was going to be massive online, but it's actually a really good size. So it's got the compressor and the tire sealant stuff inside. So really nice. Hopefully I'll never have to use it. And to go along with that, I did read some other reviews where people get these kind of tire plug kits. That was also an Amazon thing for like 15 bucks. So hopefully something else I'll never ever open. Wheel locks, pretty critical. I got these on Amazon as well instead of getting the Tesla ones. These are less than half the price of the Tesla ones. I think they do the same job, but I've had wheels stolen before, so this was also a must-have for me. And then the last thing was just this little organization bucket, also an Amazon purchase. This guy fits in the center console. It's pretty nice. I mean, it's really good quality plastic. It seems fine. It was like 10 bucks, so can't really go wrong with that. So anyway, that's my group of stuff. If I buy any more stuff, I'll let you know. The stuff I'm thinking about is maybe the, probably not the screen protector yet. I don't see myself messing that up, but maybe that windscreen cover UV blocker. If the Tesla one ever comes back in stock. If not, I'll read some reviews on the Amazon ones and see what I can find. All right, that's it for now. Deliveries tomorrow. Yes.